Hi Heather and everyone else waiting to see order 1915 get shipped out. This is a bumper I have for you to consider today. This is an OEM like you asked for. It's in a grade B condition. It still has good shape. There's no real exposed damage that you would see when installed, but it does have some flaws, and I'm trying to keep the price down. I know it's going to be painted. I saw pictures of your car today. The car looks pretty darn nice, and it's a little deeper maroon. This is a second coat of paint on here. I think this started off as a white nose, but I'm trying to show you something that's OEM and in the same price range or so as the other one. I do have some other near perfect Ford bumpers in original paint, but probably double what your original order was for, so let's not go there unless we need to. But this, I pulled off an '89 LX here at the shop. It actually has still the original Ford part number on it. It does say Mustang on it, and again, when installed, there is no real visible damage. There is some down underneath here in this mounting kind of an area for the air deflector, but I noticed on your bumper you had a Mach 1 style chin spoiler, so I know that would hide a lot of these flaws anyway, and I really don't think they're going to have much to do with the strength of the install. I think the bumper will install fine. Some of the tabs are half there, there's some cracks in between, but everything is there. There's no broken in half pillars here. There are some cracks in them, which I can show you from the back side, but they're all intact. And as far as any impact damage, it looks like the bumper maybe had a little parking lot bender kind of thing here, but it did not go through the bumper. As you can see on the inside, there's no damage or repair stuff inside here. There's the original Ford part number and the oval, Ford part number and the oval. So here are some of the cracks you can see from the inside. Again, you almost have to be behind the bumper where I am or underneath the car to see these things when installed. I'm not trying to show you something that's too rough, but it is something that's discounted for some of these flaws. So there's little cracks inside. I would say almost each one of these, but again, they're holding tight today. And I did notice, not on this side, but where the bumper and the fender squeeze together when they're installed on the other side, I noticed a couple cracks and things. I looked in these corners real good because I know they do split here over time. With an accident, sometimes this will move, or just with age they shrink and crack. I noticed this rivet spot right here has a split in it. Minor stuff. There's a lot of it. There's a lot of minor stuff, so I'm hoping that giving you a full look at everything. If you need more, let me know and I'll flip it around and show you more. This corner right here, don't know how it happened, but it's cracked. This ear is cracked pretty good, but again, once it's smushed in between the bumper and the fender, this metal bracket here, it really isn't going to move. It's more, these holes are more for kind of alignment, I think. But no damage on the inside that I've seen. No rips or anything in it, just the small cracks that I'd pointed out, and I'll show you down the side here. I really think it's in good shape also, so when it's installed it'll have a good look to it. So let me know what you think, and if you like what you see here, we'll get the shipping together and get it out right away. And thank you so much for being patient with me, and I do appreciate your business. Talk to you soon. Bye.